Hi, this is Missy. Today we're going to talk about wellness and happiness. So you can't be happy if you're unwell, and you can't feel well if you're stressed. Now, this pandemic has causing a lot of stress, especially the business women are suffering extra stress because most of them, they're working from home. But do you think they will get more time back? I don't think so. Because of their working from home, they're going to spend more time to solve problems. Plus, they have kids at home. They're stuck in there while they really wanted to get out. They want to go back to the old days. The kids crave Macca's, KFC, takeaway pizza. The kids just don't want to eat same old boring home cooking. They want to get back to what it was before, but they can't. And all those unhealthy snacks, all of that is driving them mad because they go against their health principle. All that's going out the window. Some of the women that I talk to, they're saying that this just make them feel like it's a runaway car heading towards a cliff, and any minute they're just going to fall off. If they don't put any brake on it, oh my goodness, God help us. So I see the urgency of stopping this stress and correct the unhappiness, because the situation now is just out of control. So do you feel the same way? Does any of the things that I described that relate to you? Are you in the same situation? Let's find a way to fix it. I can see that firstly, it's all about the mindset, because right now everyone is living in this bubble that's full of negativities and stressful things that just make them so unhappy. Now here's the good news. I'm announcing a free online class where I'll be able to teach you 3 simple steps that you can apply straight after the class and see the change immediately. Get rid of that stress. Get some happiness back. Be relaxed and well. And most importantly, some of you or business women will already know the importance of prioritizing and time management, and most important factor in their career life. I'm going to help you to rediscover this so you can change your life for the better. But don't wait until too late. Don't wait until it's a good time, because life goes on. It doesn't wait for you. If you are living in this situation, all of these problems around you, you don't make any changes, nothing changes. So all I need is your 45 minutes and come to my class so I can share these values that you can apply and make that change. So click on the link below, missygrace.com/free class, and I look forward to seeing you there. Until then, be well, be happy.